Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So what we're going to make for you today is a riff of an espresso martini, right? The key point of this, there is no actual espresso coffee in it, right? We're going to go with some coffee liqueur. I'm going to use some Mr. Black. It's a cold brew coffee liqueur. This is a vodka based spirit cocktail. And I know there's a lot of talk about martinis. What's supposed to be martinis should be gin based, blah, blah, blah. We don't care. We're going to make a really good drink, all right? First, we're going to start off with 1 1/4 ounce of vodka. Next, we're going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of the Mr. Black or your coffee liqueur. Just 3/4 of an ounce. Next, we're going to go with 1/2 ounce of our Amaro Nonino, just a 1/2 ounce. And I'm gonna never say it right. Probably got to watch a video on how to pronounce it. Just a 1/2 ounce. Next, we're gonna go just a 1/4 ounce of our Pedro Ximénez Sherry. Just a 1/4 ounce. And last, we're gonna go a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. Just a 1/4 ounce. Just a little sweetness. Now there's ice already in my shaker cup. Nice and tight. I want to get a good shake on this, a good hard shake. That's why I'm using this, not my stirrer. Go with us a little Nora glass, just because it makes it look a little fancier. And this is a Miss Elena, right? I'm sure Miss Elena would want it to look fancy. And we're gonna fine strain it, so it's gonna be. Try to get all of it. There you go. A Miss Elena. Cheers. Okay, this is a more complex espresso martini, right? Because you use a lot of ingredients versus just the normal, a few that you use with fresh coffee. But even though I don't use fresh coffee, this still tastes really good and really close to an espresso martini. I like it. But I also like espresso martinis too. Anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Like always, guys. Till next time. Cheers.